With the release of Twinmotion 2025.1, two fantastic new commands have been added to the modeling section. So let's take a look. The Merge tool allows you to combine all selected surfaces into a single object. Just select all parts of an object, click on Modeling, then Merge, and finally Merge Selected. The result is a unified object with a single selection. From now on, you no longer need to worry about importing models into Twinmotion with endless surfaces and groupings. In fact, with one simple click, the object gets collapsed into a single selection, making it much easier and quicker to select and move around your project. On the other hand, the Split tool does exactly the opposite of Merge. An object collapsed into a single selection can be split either by material or, even better, by connected group. This allows you to assign different textures to surfaces that previously shared the same material. Once you've changed the materials of the split object, I recommend merging it again into a single selection using the merge command we just saw. While these commands don't work with Twinmotion's built-in 3D models or Megascan assets, they work seamlessly with all 3D models in my user library, allowing you to customize them however you like. If you haven't downloaded it yet, click the link in the description to get a portion of it completely for free. Thank you very much for watching this video to the very end and for being part of my community. I strongly ask you to leave a comment with the topics you would like me to cover in the next video, because you've always been my greatest source of inspiration. That said, I wish you a good day or evening and see you very soon. Ciao!